Hey team, and welcome back all to the bunker. It's me, Moses, your host. Anyway, today we are at the shooting range. This is the 100-yard. This is where I will be getting my 308 as close as I can to the center. I did buy a new muzzle brake, and then we're going to use this target for the AK47 and the Commando ar15 that I have. Anyway, it's a beautiful range. Look at that. I got 1,000 meters to go. At the end of 1,000 meters, we do have a 3x3 foot steel plate that is 16 feet in the air for a target. We do have a steel ram at 600 yards that I've been hitting consistently with my 308. But yeah, let's get the video in and get to it. Possibly later, I'll bring a GoPro and put it at the 600 yard, let you guys all see it hitting. But all right, later. Hello team, welcome you all back to the bunker. It's me, Moses, your host. Today we will be shooting my early 90s pre-band Coal Valley, Illinois 556, serial number 2947. So this is in the 2000 range Eagle Arms. This is the one before they bought Armalite. This is all original. This is the upper, it came with it. It has the Commando upper with the Commando style flash hider. Today we're going to shoot steel grain 62 grain steel case. Not steel grain, sorry about that. Let's see what we're hitting. We're just going to use iron sights today. Let me see if I've brought, so you guys got a good view. You got the view. So right here. Oh wow, my hearing protection, I can't even put on there. That was nice. Safety. Let me see if I could see where I'm hitting with this rifle. Yeah, I can't see with this rifle. All right, let's get to it. Hold on, one more thing. Let's see if we can hit that 200 yard steel. Just make sure I can see it there, right there. Okay, it's a steel plate. 200 yards. Let's listen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the aperture of the small. I need to buy both those action guys in 223 so I can use up the steel case ammo. Man, it smells bad. Oh, ammo smells bad. I should have used the M855. This is the first time I've ever had feeding issues. I think it's due to the steel case. It likes to stick in the chamber sometimes, especially when they're heated. What's up, guys? It's me, Moses. Anyway, at 100 yards, the open sights, you can see that we got 1, 2 hits right there. What that means is, due to having a 62 grain ammo and a 1 in 14 inch twist is bad. You do not know where your ammo is going most of the time. All right, see you guys in a bit. We're gonna do the AK47 Mac 90 next. What's up, team? Welcome back to the bunker. It's me, Moses, your host. Next up will be Chinese Mac 90 AK47 variant. Put a mag in. We're gonna be shooting the regular, I believe it's 124 full metal gel. Oh, just gonna safe real quick. Sorry, guys. I do have earplugs in, but I don't want to forget my ears. Okay, guys, Mac 90. So extend this a little bit. Steel at 200 yards. Who said the AK-47 wasn't accurate? Way more accurate compared to my carbine. Start grouping on the target now. We are safe. What's up, team? Now, from that Mac 90, this is what we got here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's out of those last 5 shots I was aiming at it. To me, you know, it's shooting more accurate than my carbine. But the funny thing is, it's due to the fact that I'm using 62 grain and a 1 in 14 inch twist. Let's try hit this again. See you back in a bit. Hey guys, welcome back to Primo, it's your host. I am kind of irritated with the fact that my My AK shoots better than my AR. They're both shooting steel case ammo. I am going to try again and see if I can hit the 200 yard gun. Again, I'll use the 0 to 200 meter sights again. I mean, now. Is that a hit? Sounded like it. I don't hear nothing. I hear hitting dirt or something. Well, at least you know that one will hit. Okay, guys, time for the big boy. It's get Remington 700 308. It's really loud with this around. We have a Beer Signature HD 3x5 315 by 44, which is good for medium range. I do have a new magwell coming in for my new stock I'm putting on it. So next week you will see it in a Magpul stock. And that Magpul stock is awesome. It's aluminum bedded for that gun already. And then I just need the magwell. We didn't have the magwells here in stock, so I ordered it. It's on its way. Let's just get a little quick grouping with this Hornady Black. Hopefully it's the right one. I want to use the Hunter because they both almost look alike. The Hunter, oh no, you can tell. The Hunter seated a little differently. It has a way better tip. Left. Let's try again. Nice. Hey Chuck, I'm going to show you this group. I'm going to send you a text here in a second. Not get too coffee though. Let's go check out that grouping. Remember, I'm shooting 155 grain black ammo from Hornady. There was not good ammo. I'm running a 1 in 10 twist. So theoretically, I should have a shitty group. Let's go check it out. What's up, guys? As you know, if you watch some of my videos, this winter, I was getting a really bad group. Like I was getting 3 to 4 inches. All I did was break my rifle. You know, I put a brake on it. And look at this. Look at that, man. That's about an inch. It's awesome, 1 1/4 inches. With factory 155 grain out of 1 in 10. I like it. Man, that's awesome. Hey Chuck, check out that group. It's about an inch at 100 yards. And all I did was install a brake. Awesome, huh? Hey Chuck, check out that group. It's about an inch at 100 yards. And all I did was install a brake. Awesome, huh? Hey guys, it's me with the bunker. Today, next we're gonna try, we just did a 3-shot group with the 155 black ammo from Hornady, 155 grain AMAX. You guys seen how that performed? It performed wonderfully. I'm saving all my brass for when I do start reloading, if I ever do. Hopefully I do. You know, factory ammo isn't always the greatest, as I was told. Let's try 3 shots of this real quick. This time I think I will be aiming for the same, not the same target, but man, I should have repaired them while I was down there. Forgot about that. I'll go upper right side. I control my breathing after walking really fast, running, jogging. So this ammo is Hornady's Precision Hunter. We're going to see how it groups. So we'll run down there quickly and take a look. So I'm shooting to the right target up top. Damn, that one, that jerked big time. So I guess we won't be looking at that. Let me do one more. Then we'll save the rest of this ammo. Still jerky. There we go. That one's a little better. I gotta go hunting this fall. And all I need is this ammo. My rifle's already sighted in. I am shooting to the left a little bit, which is irritating. So I have 10 rounds of 175 grain, which I'll be saving. I have like 400 and something rounds of 7.62 by 51 loaded up. That when I bought a Sega 308, it came with 400 rounds, which is awesome. Paid $1,200 for that one. Who knows? I might just take that one out because it came with a bunch of 155 grain soft point ammo, which is nice. Let's try this next. This is going to be 7.6 by 51, 168 grain OTM. So this is going to be open tip match, I believe, or something like that. OTM for M1A1. So let's try it out. Okay, so this one will be shooting to the left, so maybe I'll shoot to the center, top center, middle center. We'll see. We'll see if that's the right spot. I'll just aim for the center, top. For the center top, and it landed almost in the bullseye. Let's see. That's weird. This is an open tip. It is a hollow point. Try one more. Wow. One more shot. We'll go check those troops. Hey guys, let's go turn the safety lights on. So hey team. So this is 155 grain Hornady. This is 175 grain Precision Hunter. And for this one I was aiming right here. This is 168 grain Federal or Eagle Federal match for M1A1s. So I'd say they're all doing pretty good. I bet I could get it even tighter if I had a trigger job done along with my barrel being swapped. I'm not my barrel, my stock. So my stock will be swapped next week. Hopefully that tightened things up. But I will also be doing a trigger job soon once I have the funds. All right, team.